to explain. See, first, what is advanced Java and what are the topics I'm going to cover in this course? That is, I'll explain. Okay. See, according to Sun Micro system, there is no core Java, there is no advanced Java. There is only Java. Okay. Now, but why we are calling advanced Java and what are the topics comes under this course? That is, I'll give. And how to learn advanced Java also I'll explain. Say, before learning any course, you should know how to learn. If you know how to learn, very quickly you can learn subject, any course. See, one person morning to night, he'll work hard, but he'll not get a subject. One more person, daily 1 hour, 2 hours only he'll spend, he'll get a subject. Reason, he knows how to learn. Okay. So if the person knows how to learn, very quickly can learn. If the person doesn't know how to learn, without knowing how to learn, morning to night, if you work hard also, no use. That's what any course before learning how to learn, it is the most important. Okay. See, after BTech, MCA, MTech, these all people are unable to write single program also. Reason, how to learn, they don't know, but they learn. They completed 4 years BTech. Okay. So without knowing how to learn only, they learn courses. See, Java also is there in academics. Core Java is there, advanced Java is there. Core Java completed, advanced Java completed. They passed with 70% marks, but they are unable to write programs. Reason, this is only how to learn. They don't know, but they learn. They completed. Okay. So how to learn, they don't know, but they completed Java course also. Like that, if you learn, it is no use. Because your BTech exam style is different, software company exam style is different. It is not matching. Okay. That's what here, always you have to remember your target, what purpose you are learning Java. Based on that, you have to learn. Okay. Again, BTech type, if you learn in Amirpet also, then Amirpet course also wasted. Okay. Whatever you studied in BTech, whatever you are learning in Amirpet, it is not matching. You observe, complete different. No? Whatever industry required, that is your learning here. That's what that style, learning style is major role acts to get a subject. Learning style, major role acts to get a subject. So always you remember what purpose you are learning Java to get a job in MNC. That style you have to learn. Okay. That is, I'll explain. Listen with more concentration. What is advanced Java and what are the topics I'm going to cover, how to learn advanced Java. This all I'll explain. Now present today, no need to write anything, just listen. Okay. No need to worry about notes. Don't worry about notes. I'll give no notes also. Okay. I'll give running notes also. I'll share notes in Google Classroom also. Okay. Don't worry about subject. Don't worry about notes. Don't worry about duration. In a short period, good subject I'll show you. Okay. Now, listen with more concentration. First of all, listening is most important. Okay. Because it is a language. Language, if you want to learn, listening, speaking, reading, writing, 4 skills will be there. Any language. Suppose you know English, you know Telugu, you know Hindi. Learn one more language, more time it will take. And also learning style. Listening required, speaking required, reading required, writing required. In these 4, which one required first? Listening only. Okay. Say example, your mother tongue, Telugu or Hindi, whatever it may be. How you learn? With listening, speaking. Then only you got a language. After joining in a school, reading, writing. Before joining in a school only you got a language. Okay. That's what listening is highest priority. First priority listening. Suppose listening is missed, then everything is missed. That's it. Because Java also language. So listen with more concentration. Every day listening is highest priority. Okay. Now I'll explain how to learn. That is you follow. Okay. Online students also, if any doubts are there, end of the session, I'll get time for doubts. At the time you can ask. Okay. Listen the class. Listening is most important. End of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. Now, first of all, what is advanced Java? That is, I'll explain. What is advanced Java? I'll explain. Listen. Now, what is advanced Java? I'll explain. See, according to Sun Micro Systems, there is no core Java, there is no advanced Java. There is only Java. Okay. That Java introduced in 1995. In 1995, Java came and exists in the market for developing internet applications. So Java is a first and foremost programming language to develop internet applications. But internet came and exists in the market in 1990 only. Say, in 1990, internet came in 1990. Java came and exists in the market in 1995. 1995. So after 5 years, Java came. After 5 years. 1990 internet came. 1995 Java came. But I am saying Java is a first and foremost programming language to develop internet applications. So Java is a first programming language to develop internet applications. But internet was there before Java only. So 1990 only internet came. 1995 Java came. After 5 years Java came. But I am saying first language. But how they developed internet applications between 1990 to 95. How they developed internet applications is by using C, C++, Smalltalk, Ada, Simula, what are the languages already exist. Using those programming languages, they developed internet applications up to 95. When Java came, remaining all languages, they stopped. Java became as popular. It was boomed in the industry. Now also booming in the industry. 2023 also Java position number 1 for developing internet applications. Okay. See, 1990 internet came. 1995 Java came. Java is a first programming language to develop internet applications. But before Java, 5 years, 1990 to 95, how they developed internet applications is by using other languages. What are the languages already is there in the market? Using those languages, they developed internet applications. C, C++, Smalltalk, Ada, Simula, all languages. What are the languages already present before 1995? They used using C language also developing internet application possible. Okay. But whatever you studied in BTech or an Amirpet, that is just 5% of C only. Okay. Whatever you studied in BTech also in Amirpet also, that is just 5% C. What you studied, arrays, control structures, loops, and operators, structures, unions, files. That is 5% C only. Okay. Data structures in C, keyboard interrupts in C, mouse programming in C, graphics in C, embedded C, like this. So many modules are there. Multi-threading in C, socket programming in C, network programming in C, internet applications in C, also possible. Like that, so many modules are there. Whatever you studied, that is just 5% C. Okay. Once if you enter into MNC company, C appears like a C. That much subject is there. Okay. C appears like a C. Whatever you studied, that C to get a job required. To work as a C programmer, not enough. Whatever you studied C, to get a job, that knowledge only you learn. But to work as a C programmer, that is not enough. Okay. But whatever you are studying in Amirpet Java, that is suitable for working as a Java programmer. But whatever you are learning C language, that is not enough to work as a C programmer. Okay. So here, 1990 to 95, 5 years, how they developed internet application is C language also. When Java came, they stopped. C, C++, what are the languages already exist? Those all stopped. Java became as popular to develop internet applications with 2 reasons. One is platform independent, one more security. With these 2 reasons, Java position number 1 in the world for developing internet applications. Okay. See, 95 only released. 95 only become as number one in the world for developing internet applications because of two reasons. Very few products will be there in the market. Released year only become as popular. Very few. See, you not only Java, not only software, hardware, any product you take in the market, for getting popularity, it will take some years. But Java released in 95 only become as number one in 95 only. That much popular. Okay. Here, suppose example, there are so many mobiles are there. There are so many mobiles are there. Each different companies, different models, many are there. Okay. If any new mobile comes in the market, ABC company, they introduced XYZ model mobile. Will it become popular immediately? No. Hundreds of mobiles are there, thousands of models are there. Okay. For getting popularity, it will take years. Okay. Like that. But Java, with two reasons, it will become as popular. Security, platform, independent. Online students, end of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. If any doubts are there, just write it in your notebook. End of the session, I'll give it time. At the time, you can ask. Listen the class. Listen the class. Now, 1990, internet came. 1995, Java came. Java became as popular to develop internet applications. Okay. At the same time, Sun Microsystem company introduced Java. Like at the same time, some other languages also came. Microsoft released C#.NET, like that language, many came. But internet application purpose, Java only number one. 2023 also Java number one. But students are comparing C, C++, Java, Python, C#, which is better. That is happening. So while joining in a Java course also, Java better, Python better, Java better, Python better, .NET better, confusion. Okay. Actually, like that, you should not compare. Internet application, Java position number one. Artificial intelligence application purpose, Python number one. For developing graphical user interface related application, .NET number one. For developing system software, C, C++ number one. Now, 5 languages booming in the world. C, C++, Java, Python, C#. It is all booming in the market. Internet application purpose, Java number one. Okay. But C better, Java better. You should not compare. C purpose is different. Java purpose is different. C made for system software. Java made for internet application. Again, Java better, Python better. Python made for artificial intelligence. It is popular for artificial intelligence. But Java internet application purpose released internet application popular. Like that. So Java also number, like these 5 languages are booming in the market. Internet application purpose still in the market, Java is there. 1995 onwards, 2023, also Java position number one for developing internet applications. Then only 2 reasons: platform independent, security. See, if you develop any internet application with C language or C++, security issues comes. That is the reason they stopped when Java came. Reason, security problems comes if you develop internet application with C and C++. What is the security problem? You see, any internet application you take in the market, if the data is confidential, the data, if you want to see, you must enter username, password. You take anything in internet application, if the data is confidential, data is there, compulsory you need to enter username, password if you want to see the data. See, Facebook, WhatsApp, Gmail, any application you take, you must register. Later you have to enter username, password. With that only you can see the data. So confidential data is there. If you want to see that, you must enter username, password. That type of security they'll provide with login page, registration page. Okay. If the type of applications, if you build with C, C++, security issues comes because pointers one concept is there in C language. Most important topic in C, pointers. With pointers only security problems comes. With the pointers, password, address you can find out. Through address, password also you can find out. That type of problems comes. Because through pointer address we can find out. Through address data also we can find out. that type of security problems comes. That's what C++ they stopped to develop internet applications. When Java came, like you observe, reason Java no pointers. See, actually, Java derived from C language and C++ only. Java derived from C and C++. From C language, syntax derived. From C++, oops derived. Then Java came. So from C language, syntax derived. From C++, oops derived. Those two combined, they developed Java. While deriving, most important topic only removed by developers. See, which is the most important topic in C? Pointers only, no? That topic only removed. Most important topic C language is pointers. Most difficult topic also pointers only. Okay. Most difficult topic pointers. Most important topic pointers. That is C language. Heart of C language. Main part. That heart is removed by Java developers. Okay. Main topic is pointers only. The heart of C language is pointers. Heart is removed. Pointers is removed. Main topic only removed. Reason? Security problems comes. That's what removed. Java made for internet. Internet application pointers are there. Security problems comes. That is the reason removed. Otherwise, why they'll remove main topic only? So without pointers, security comes. That's what Java is secure. See, even we are calling Java is secure, internet applications are secure, but still some people are hacking sites, no? Still people are hacking sites. Even this much security, if you provide also, people are hacking sites. If Java supports pointers, then everyone will become hackers only. Okay. Even this much security, if they provide also, people are hacking sites. If pointers are there, all people becomes hackers only. That will be happen. So that's what Java developers removed pointer concept. Without pointers, it is popular for developing internet applications. Security comes. Okay. Then some universities, colleges, they started Java course. They started Java course in academics. Then this Java divided like a two parts. One is core Java, one is advanced Java. See, total Java given by Sun Microsystem company, by James Gosling team, 5 members team is there. Java developed by 5 members team, not one person. James Gosling, Patrick Norton, Ed Frank, Cherisworth, and Mike Sheridan. 5 members team. Main team leader is James Gosling. The team released Java in 1995 at Sun Microsystem company. That Java became as popular in 95 only. Some college, universities started Java course in academics. But then they divided Java two parts. Because our educational system is semester system. Total Java course, it is not possible to finish in one semester. That is the reason they divided like a two parts. One part core Java, one part advanced Java. They kept core Java in one semester, advanced Java one semester. Your doubt is, why it is not possible complete Java in 6 months? 6 months. 6 months time is there, why it is not possible to finish? You know very well, in a BTech, MCA, MTech, any academic course, 1 month exams will be there. Okay. Before exams 1 month, after exams 1 month, students will not come to college also. Okay. Total 3 months will go. And holidays also, so many holidays, second Saturday, Sunday, so many holidays will come. Festival holidays, those all, many holidays comes. In that timing also, 50 minutes class will be there. In that 50 minutes, 10 minutes attendance only. 40 minutes class will be there. Then how it is possible to finish in a 6 months also? Not possible. 40 minutes class will be there. Okay. So it is not possible to finish in a one semester. That is the reason that Java course divided like a two parts. One is core Java, one is advanced Java. Like this words. These are unofficial words. According to Sun Microsystem, there is only Java. There is no core Java, there is no advanced Java. Initially, Java came and exists in the market only for developing internet applications. After 5 years, J2EE came, J2ME came. These two came and exist in the market in 2000 after 5 years. After 5 years, J2EE came, J2ME came. Then this Java renamed as J2SE. J2SE. Java 2 Platform Standard Edition, Java 2 Platform Enterprise Edition, Java 2 Platform Micro Edition. 3 editions of Java. So starting, Java came and exists in the market to develop internet applications only. Starting. But later, Java technology extended to develop enterprise applications, J2EE, micro device applications, J2ME. So Java not only now internet applications, enterprise application also you can build. Micro device applications also you can build. What's the difference between internet application, enterprise application, micro device applications? See, for example, Yahoo, Gmail, Facebook, whatever you are using every regular, every day, those are internet applications. Okay. And enterprise application also requires internet. All enterprise applications also you can call it as internet application. But all internet applications are not enterprise applications. For example, now you want to open Facebook. Very first time, what you'll do, you'll open Facebook, you'll enter first name, last name, address, mobile number, mail ID, this will give details. Next time onwards, username, password. Okay, like that you'll access. You want to access Gmail, anybody can access. WhatsApp, anybody can access. Telegram channel, anybody can access. Instagram, anybody can access. So no restrictions. Anybody can join. But for example, enterprise application, ICICI bank application. Now, ICICI bank application, if you want to access, you should be customer of ICICI or you should be employee of ICICI. Other people cannot access. That is called enterprise application. So ICICI is on enterprise. That application only ICICI customers can access, ICICI employees can access. See, if you want to access, you cannot open, you cannot register. First, you have to open bank account. Okay, you have to open bank account. They will give username, password. With that, you log in. If you want, you can change the profile password also. Those all you have to change. But directly, you cannot register. Like a Facebook, like a WhatsApp, like a Gmail, you cannot open, you cannot register. First, you have to go to bank, you have to apply, and they will give username, password. With that, you have to log in. You can change your password like that. So everything is verified. Your mobile number verified, your mail ID verified, so many things verified. Okay, that is more secured application. But Facebook, WhatsApp, these all, if you give wrong information, also accepting. No, if you provide wrong information, also accepting. It is happening. Okay, but bank application like that will be there. No, everything is verified. That enterprise application, that particular organization people only can access. Okay, that is called enterprise application. Like a railway reservation system, air ticket booking, e-seva application, these all comes under enterprise applications. Okay. ME, micro device applications. Say Java not only for computers, other devices also we can use Java. See, in the market, so many electronic gadgets are there. So many gadgets supporting Java programming. TV, set-top box, mobiles, pagers, communicators, PDAs, palm tops, sensors, barcode machines. There are so many gadgets are there in the market. Many devices supporting Java programming. That is with ME, Java 2 Platform Micro Edition. See, example, TV set-top box. Tomorrow, 10 o'clock, which program is going to come also, it will display. That information is there in the television? No. Is there in the set-top box? No. Your set-top box communicating with server to get that information. How this communication is going on? Through Java. Like card reader machines. Suppose you'll go to shopping mall, you'll buy some items, you'll give swap, you'll swipe the credit card, debit card, you'll swipe. The machine will be there, no? The machine also communicating with server. Card reader machine. How this communication is going on? Through Java. That is Java ME. So Java not only for computers, other devices also Java possible. So that is J to ME, Java to micro edition. So starting, especially made for internet applications. Later, the technology extended to enterprise applications, micro device applications. Like this, Java came. In 2000, this Java renamed as J2SE. So 1995, they given word Java. It is renamed as J2SE in 2000 when these two came and exist. Okay. Online students, end of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. Just listen the class. See, J2SE, J2EE, J2ME. In 2000, all versions 222 in 2000. But these versions are updated. Already know core Java you have studied. Like which is the latest version Java? JDK 19 version. Next month 20 also coming. Okay, 19 version, but that is at the time 2. In 2000 version is 2 only. Okay, these versions are updated. Next month only 20 coming. Then we should not call it as J2SE, J19SE, J20SE, like that. This enterprise edition version, 10th version came. Micro edition version is removed now. Version is removed. That is ME. These names, Java 2 Platform Standard Edition, Java 2 Platform Enterprise Edition, Java 2 Platform Micro Edition, these names are changed after 5 years. So they given as Java SE, Java EE, Java ME. So version can be any version, names are changed in 2005. 2005, these names are changed after 5 years. After 3 years, one more came. After 3 years, one more edition also came. 2008. 2008, Java FX came. Java Platform FX. Like this, Java FX also came. Say 1995, Java came. That Java renamed as J2SE in 2000. The J2SE renamed as Java SE in 2005. After 3 years, Java FX came. Okay, like this, 4 editions of Java is there. Java SE, Java EE, Java ME, Java FX. Say Java SE, Java EE, Java ME, Java FX. 4 editions of Java. So at present, 4 editions of Java is there. Still they are updating. Every 6 months, new versions are coming. Every 6 months, new they are planning. Okay. So here, Java SE, Java EE, Java ME, these are Java Platform Standard Edition. It is Java Platform Enterprise Edition. Java Platform Micro Edition. It is, people are calling mobile edition. It is not mobile edition. It is micro edition. This is FX only. Java Platform FX. Actually, it is nothing but in the graphics, visual effects will be there, no? Visual effects. This FX we are calling like a FX. Visual effects. We are calling like a FX. Okay. That is only here FX. Like that, you have to assume. Visual effects in a multimedia, visual effects will be there. That FX, we are writing like a FX. Here, Java Platform FX also like that only. Okay. See, 4 editions of Java. 4 editions of Java is there. Java Platform Standard Edition, Java Platform Enterprise Edition, Java Platform Micro Edition, Java Platform FX. Present, all are booming in the market. Java SE also, Java EE also, Java ME also, Java FX also. Now, in this core Java, advanced Java, where it is. According to Sun Microsystem, now present, these 4 words only will call. These 4 words. According to Sun Microsystem. These 4. Java SE, Java EE, Java ME, Java FX. It is official information. It is official. Core Java. Core Java is nothing but it is a part of Core Java is a part of Java SE. Core Java, it is a part of Java SE. And advanced Java is a part of Java SE and Java EE. Okay. Core Java is a part of Java SE. Advanced Java is a part of Java SE and Java EE. Some topics comes under SE. Some topics comes under EE. Like that. So advanced Java is a part of Java SE and Java EE. But core Java, just it is a part of Java SE. Complete core Java comes under SE only. Complete core Java comes under Java SE only. Okay. But advanced Java only, some topics comes under SE, some topics comes under EE. Okay. Which are the topics comes under SE, which are the topics comes under EE, that is compulsory you should know. Because advanced Java word is unofficial word. Compulsory, which are comes under SE, which are comes under EE, you should know. I'll teach. See, 4 editions also booming, but you are learning only 3 courses. Core Java, Advanced Java, J2EE. Like that, we are calling in Amirpet. Okay. Core Java is a part of Java SE. Advanced Java is a part of Java SE and Java EE. Remaining J2EE nothing but it's a part of Java EE only. But still 2 more editions are there. No one is learning, no one is teaching. You observe. In Amirpet, no one is learning, no one is teaching. But is it outdated? No. Java ME, Java FX requirement is very less in software companies. That's what no one is learning. If we teach also, no one will join in that class. No one will join in that course. If we teach also. That's what we are not teaching, you are not learning. Okay. Now, but if the company requires Java ME programmer, if the company requires Java FX programmer, how they'll recruit? How they'll recruit? Okay. 1 minute, I'll explain. Online students, if any doubts are there, end of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. If voice problem, screen problem is there, then you can chart. Okay. Voice only 1%, 2% means problem is your side only. You have to check it out. Okay. 1%, 2% means that problem is your side only. You have to check it out your side only. End of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. Listen the class. See, here 4 editions of Java, but you are learning in Amirpet, Core Java, Advanced Java, J2EE. Core Java complete, it is a part of Java SE. Advanced Java is a part of Java SE and Java EE. J2EE complete Java EE. It lasts 2 editions you are learning. But if the company requires Java ME programmer, if the company requires Java FX programmer, how they'll recruit? If the company requires ME programmer, FX programmer, they'll conduct interview only on Core Java. With that knowledge, they'll recruit. After joining in the company, corporate trainer will teach. Then you will learn. Okay. So ME FX, if the company requires, they'll teach. One corporate trainer will come, he'll teach, then you'll learn. That's what present, no need to learn. Okay. So ME also 2-3 batches I taught, FX 1 batch, myself I taught as a corporate trainer. But present here, we are not teaching. Okay. But in a company, if the company requires, then you'll learn ME FX. After joining in the company, if the company requires, they are going to teach. That's what learning is not going to complete in Amirpet. After getting a job also you have to learn. Okay. It is not going to end. Software job is knowledge based job. For getting job also knowledge required. After getting a job to survive also knowledge required. That is always remember. Okay. You may think my friend is there, my relative is there, easily I'll get a job. You'll get a job. After getting job, Your friend will do your duty. You have to do no. So friend, he may give job, but who will do your duty? You have to do. How will do? It is knowledge based job. Without knowledge, it is not possible. So without knowledge, if you enter into software company also, while writing programs, you will get irritation. You are unable to do. Then while writing program, you'll get irritation. One day you will resign. Otherwise, company will remove. Okay. Again, at last, you'll come to Amirpet only. That will be happen. That's what it is knowledge-based job. For getting job also knowledge required. To survive in a job also knowledge required. Other jobs are different. This job is different. Okay. If you have a knowledge, then only you can enjoy software job. So after getting a job also, you have to learn. Learning process is not going to end. You observe 10, 20 years experienced people also learning classes, no? Attending classes, no? Evening batches, morning batches, online students also may be there. Compulsory. After getting 10, 20 years also, you have to learn subject. It is not going to end. Okay. Everyone is student only. Yourself also student, myself also student, either with tutor or without tutor. That's it. Self-learning also required. Okay. So myself also I'm updating. Yourself you have to update after joining the company. Compulsory. Either learn yourself or attend classes. That's it. But you have to learn. If you learn yourself, what will happen? It takes more time. If you learn with tutor, very quickly can learn. That is only difference. But after getting a job also, learning process is not going to end. Lifelong in software industry, all are students only. Either with tutor or without tutor. Compulsory, you have to learn. Then only you can survive. So after getting 10, 20 years experience also people are learning. It is compulsory. Suppose up to Java 19 you will learn. You will join in a company as a Java programmer. Java 20 comes. Java 21 comes. You have to learn. No? Compulsory. New version comes. You have to update. Like that. Sometimes what will happen? You have to change the technologies also. It will be happen. Suppose in one software company, you will join as a Java programmer. They'll assign some Java projects. 2-3 years completed. Your Java projects are completed. After completion of project, in that company, Java projects are not there. Assume. In that company, Java projects are not there. They may assign .NET project or Python project. Then what will do? Only two options are there. Either resign that job, go to another company as a Java programmer. One more option, learn Python or .NET. Suppose company very good, full freedom is there. Salary package also very good. Okay, your designation also very good. Everything is fine. But only problem is Java projects are not there. Then you learn other technology. No? Salary package good, full freedom is there, everything is there. But except technology, then you have to learn again. Suppose you are interested to work as a Java programmer only. Okay, but you don't want to learn other technology. Then what you have to do? You have to resign. Go to other company. Like that. But in Java also new version comes. Again you have to update. No? So learning is not going to end. So learning purpose, you should have a more patience. That is most important. If you don't have a patience, you are not suitable for software job. That is also remember. Okay. See, suppose while reading books, while performing while practicing programs, if little bit hard concept comes, what will do? You'll skip. But there, can you skip? No. You cannot skip. That is one day also you have to do, 2 days also you have to do, 1 week also you have to do, but you cannot skip. That means compulsory you have to complete. Without completing that work, they won't assign other work. You have to complete. 1 day also, okay, 2 days also, 1 week also. They'll give some time period again and again. But at last you have to complete. If you don't do in that time period also, if they give extra 1 week also, if you don't do, they'll remove. That's it. So it is knowledge-based job. If you have a knowledge, then only you can enjoy job. If you have a knowledge, then only you can enjoy job. See, top MNC company job also, few people are not enjoying. Right or wrong, you check it out. Top MNC company job also, all are not enjoying. Reason, they don't have a subject. Without knowing subject, they join. They are working. but daily team leader will give task. They are unable to do. How they'll enjoy? It is not possible to enjoy. Knowledge is based job. Okay. That's what knowledge is mandatory to work as a Java programmer or any software programmer. Compulsory. That's what learning is mandatory. Compulsory, you have to learn. You have to put efforts, you have to work hard. Then only you can enjoy software job. Okay. See, software job, weekly 2 days holidays will be there. Weekly 2 days holidays, no? Saturday, Sunday. If you have a knowledge, Saturday, Sunday, you'll enjoy. If you don't have a knowledge, Saturday, Sunday also you'll think about Monday. That's it. Okay. Saturday, Sunday also you'll think about Monday. It will be happen. While sleeping also you'll think about Java. While eating also you'll think about Java. If you don't have a subject, it will be happen. Okay. That's what. Put efforts, work hard. Learning is mandatory. Okay. See, it is knowledge-based job. So you need to put more efforts. You have to work hard to get a subject. This is 4 editions of Java. In that, advanced Java is a part of Java SE and Java EE. Okay. Now, how to learn advanced Java? That is I'll explain. Okay. Listen. Online student, listen. Any doubts are there? Write it in your notebook. End of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. I'll give time for doubts. Okay. See, how to learn advanced Java. Learning core Java style is different. Learning advanced Java style is different. Okay. Learning core Java style is different. Learning advanced Java style is different. Listen with more concentration. So how I'm going to teach, the way of teaching also I'll explain. Okay. See, first of all, you remember for learning advanced Java, core Java up to exception handling. Up to exception handling, it is prerequisite. At least object-oriented programming, it is compulsory. Suppose, okay, up to exception handling, mandatory actually. Up to exception handling topic, it is mandatory to attend advanced Java class. Suppose, at least object-oriented programming, if it is completed, you continue. Otherwise, if you attend also no use. Object-oriented programming is mandatory. Okay. Like whatever you studied, class, object, variables, methods, constructors, this keyword, static keyword, final keyword, encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism, overloading, overriding, abstract class, interface. These all you study, inner classes, packages. These all concepts. If you are perfect, then advanced Java, nothing. Very simple. Okay. If you are not perfect, it is hard appears. So for learning advanced Java, object-oriented programming concepts, it is a prerequisite. If you want to learn advanced Java, object-oriented programming is prerequisite. It is compulsory. So if object-oriented programming topic is completed, then you continue in this class, you can enjoy coding. Otherwise, you cannot understand. It is prerequisite. But in Amirpet, what is happening? Core Java, Advanced Java, Spring, Spring Boot. Parallelly, people are learning. It is not a BTech's other subject like it. It is a continuation concept. So for learning Advanced Java, up to exception handling, prerequisite. At least object-oriented programming is prerequisite. For learning Spring, at least Soulet's introduction prerequisite. For learning Hibernate, JDBC prerequisite. For learning Spring Boot, Spring Basics prerequisite. Like that, prerequisite, if you follow, you'll understand subject. But few students, what they are doing? Core Java, Advanced Java, J2EE. Parallelly, they are learning. Parallelly, if you learn what will happen, you cannot understand. Only course completed. See, BTech completed, no? Like that, Java course also completed. 4 years BTech. How many subjects are there? 30 to 40 subjects. Okay. Each semester, 5-6 subjects. 4 years. 30 to 40 subjects completed. All passed with 70% marks. Minimum. But they are unable to write programs. Reason? Learning style. That's it. So without prerequisite, if you learn also, it is wasted. Only course completed. Course completion is not important. Okay, you should get a subject. You should get a subject. Okay. So for learning advanced Java, object-oriented programming concepts, encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism, very depth required. Okay, those 4 principles mandatory. Advanced Java, total advanced Java, abstraction only. Total advanced Java abstraction. Abstraction principle is studied, no? That is advanced Java, totally abstraction. Okay, like abstraction principle applicable here. Complete advanced Java abstraction only. It is prerequisite. Without knowing this advanced Java class, you cannot understand. But if you are familiar, no, it is nothing. Advanced Java very quickly you can learn. You can enjoy coding. And also here, advanced Java very interesting because it is application development. What will be there here? Online shopping, online exams, online registration form, online login form, like a website implementation. That type will be there. Dynamic website. That type of programs you are going to learn. Advanced Java, very interesting, very easy. If you are perfect in OOPS. Okay. And core Java, most important. That is only remember. Okay. Core Java only most important as compared to advanced Java. As compared to advanced Java, core Java only important. In core Java class also, I'll say core Java only important. In advanced Java class also, I'll say advanced Java, core Java only important. In Spring class also, I'll say core Java only important. In every class, I'll say core Java only important. Okay. For getting job or to work in a company also, core Java only important. Most important. Those who are familiar with core Java, for them, these are nothing. Advanced Java, Spring Boot, Microsoft, microservices, web services, these all nothing. Very simple appears if you are perfect in core Java. Okay. Now, the learning style. How to learn advanced Java. Here observe. Here further what will happen? Application development will be there. Application development. For example, Java application. Suppose, okay, 1 minute. Suppose this is on application. This is advanced Java program only. It's on application. Say this is one application. Okay. Here HTML program, JSP program, Solid program, DAO program, Bean program. This type of programs will be there. Now here this type of programs will be there. Okay, other diagram I'll show you. That is actually advanced Java last program. Okay. 1 minute. Okay, the diagrams are deleted. Okay, later I'll teach. See, here many concepts will be there. Many softwares required, and also you used only one software, JDK. In core Java class, you used only one software, Java Development Kit. Okay, but here browser required, server required, database required, and Eclipse required, and plugins required, and compiler required, editors required, debuggers required. So many softwares required. Okay, multiple softwares we are going to use. And advanced Java, very interesting. You can develop websites. End of the course, you will be able to develop your own website also. It is possible. Suppose how to learn advanced Java. See, first step, one task. First step, one task I'll give. Suppose I've shown one diagram. No, that is one task. Okay. One task I'll explain. What we are going to do today. One task. For example, Java application. Okay. Java application. One small task. It is database. It is one database. It is Oracle database. This Java application and Oracle database, I want to connect. This is called one task. This type of diagram, so many diagrams I'll give. Okay. Now, first of all, one task I'll explain. Okay. The task I'll explain. After that, task related diagrams. Diagrams I'll explain. Task related diagrams. Okay. See, first step, what we are going to do today. The task I'll explain. After explanation of task, the task only diagrammatically I'll explain. Then you will get a more clarity. If I explain only task, you may not understand. If I explain without diagrams, 50% students also cannot understand. With your diagrams, all people can understand. That's what diagrammatically I'll teach. The task related diagrams I'll teach. After that, steps I'll teach. Because you've seen in core Java class, 10 lines, 20 lines, maximum programs. But here 100 lines also will be there. Okay, one program, 100 lines also will be there. Like that will be there. Steps I'll explain, but very easy as compared to core Java. Steps I'll explain. Steps. First, what we have to do. Second, what we have to do. Listen. It is the most important. This way you are going to learn every day. Okay. How to learn is the most important. Now, first I'll explain the task. Task related diagrams I'll explain. After that, steps I'll explain. First, what we have to do. Second, what we have to do. Third, what we have to do. Order. Order also important. You have seen diagram. How many programs are there? See, that is one application. Okay, like that will be there. So, first, what we have to do. Second, what we have to do. Third, what we have to do. One order. Order I'll explain. After that, every step library required. Without library, one line also we cannot write in advanced Java. Say, it is not a calculating factorial program, square root program, Armstrong number, strong number, perfect number. Okay, that is core Java C language you learn. Okay, just 1 minute, wait. Tomorrow onwards, classroom is in Reliance building. Reliance building, first floor. Okay. Reliance building, you see, no? If you don't know, just ask them admin, they'll guide you. Okay. Tomorrow onwards, class is in Reliance building, first floor. Reliance building, first floor. Now, listen, what you are discussing about Reliance building. If you don't know address, you ask them, later they'll guide you. Okay. After class, admins are there, office boys are there, you can ask them, they'll guide you. No, this beside only there, near, very near. Now, you observe, listen. Learning style most important. Core Java learning style also explained in Core Java class. Advanced Java learning style this is. Okay. Core Java learning style. Core Java, how many steps to learn? Okay. Listen. See, that is first class, Core Java first class. I think you forgot. No, all are not my students. Okay, I know. See, one thing you remember, you studied Core Java with other faculty also. Those who studied with other faculty also, no need to worry. Within a 1-2 days, you will understand my view also. Okay. Starting, what will happen? 1-2 days confusion will be there. Because one faculty one type, one more faculty one more type will be there. Little bit confusion will be there 1-2 days. After that, my view also will understand. Okay. See, for example, Java books. So many Java books are there. No? Suppose daily one book you are reading. After 10-15 days, you open other book. Little bit confusion appears. No? So that book also best book only. But 1-2 days confusion appears. Okay. Like that, you already attended Core Java with other faculty, suppose. Advanced Java with other faculty you are attending. Then what will happen? 1-2 days confusion will be there. After 1-2 days, you will understand my view also. Okay. So don't worry about subject. Don't worry about duration. Don't worry about notes. Everything I'll provide. Myself also I have 20 years experience. Don't worry. Okay. Don't worry about subject. Now, listen. Listen. See, task I'll explain. Diagrams I'll explain. Steps I'll explain. For every step, listen. Ask him. Every step, one library method required. Without library, we cannot do anything in advanced Java. Say, in a core Java, C language, you written programs are calculating factorial, square root, Amstrad number. That type programs only for getting job. After getting a job, factorial not required, square root not required, Amstrad number not required. Okay. After getting job, this type of advanced Java programs. After getting a job, those are only to improve logical skills. That's it. Finding maxima of two numbers, you'll write small logic. If A greater than B, A is a bigger, else B is a bigger. That is also no need to write. Already max method is there in integer class, no? Max method is there, integer dot max. You call to pass parameters, you will get a max. No need to write if condition also. Addition of two numbers also method is there. A plus B, that is also no need to write. Some method is there, no? In integer class, java.lang.integer class, wrapper class. In that some method is there. You call that method over. Like that. In real time, library. Library most important. Now, that is you can do. Suppose I want to send data Hyderabad to US. Can you write any logic? I want to send data Hyderabad to US. Can you write any logic? It is not a factorial program. Okay. Compulsory you have to depend on library. That is compulsory, mandatory. So, every step, library required. Method, class, package. Which method required? Which class required? Which package required? Myself, I'll give. That is only we are calling API. Application Programming Interface. Okay. Now, listen. Task I'll explain. The task related diagrams I'll explain. Steps I'll explain. First what we have to do, second what we have to do, third what we have to do, order I'll explain. Every step, which method required, which class required, which package required, I'll explain. That is API. While teaching these four, you have to listen with more concentration. After that, program. I'll ask questions. You have to give answers. With your answers, I'll type. Okay. Instead of typing by you, I am typing. That's it. Okay. Program myself, I'll not write. I'll ask questions. You have to give answer. With your answers, I'll write. For giving answers, this knowledge required, core Java knowledge required. Now that's what. While teaching task, while teaching diagrams, while teaching steps, while teaching API, you have to listen with more concentration. You have to listen with more concentration. After that, I'll open Edit Plus or Eclipse. I'll open. I'll write the program. I will ask the question. You have to give the answer. With your answers, I'll write the program. Then only you will get a programming skills. Program also myself, if I write, what purpose you are coming? Got a point? You should be able to write program yourself. You are able to give answer means you are able to write programs. So with your answers only, I'll write the program. With your answers only. While teaching these four, you have to listen with more concentration. Okay. After that, line by line, I'll ask question. You have to give answers. With your answers, I'll write the program. That is application development. Like that, you have to learn. Okay. But a program also, each and every word, if I write, if I explain, then what purpose you are coming to class? Think yourself. Okay. Everything if I explain, you will never get a subject. That is the reason. With your answers only, I'll write the program. That's what. Up to exception handling, like our object-oriented programming, you prepare and come. With that, you can give answers. But this knowledge required as well as core Java knowledge required. Then only you can give answer. Otherwise, you cannot give answer. Instead of typing by you, I'll type. Okay. You are able to give answer means you are able to write program. That's it. Like that, I'll teach. Every day, I'll interact with you. Every day, I'll interact with you. Okay. Daily, I'll ask questions. You have to give answers. With your answers only, you'll get a subject. Okay. You are able to give answer means you can give any question in interview, you can give answers. Core Java also I taught like this only. But Core Java learning style is different. Core Java, what I given? First, point-wise theory. Here. Point-wise theory. Theory part, point-wise only. Here also theory part, point-wise only I'll explain. Paragraphs, pages not required. That is realized now itself. While doing BTech, paragraphs, pages, you learn. Okay. One line notes if I give, that line people will make it one paragraph. Every BTech student is perfect. Okay. One line if I give, that line they'll make it one paragraph. Every BTech student is perfect to make paragraphs. That is no use. That is not required for software company. If they required, all will get a job, no? See, observe. What industry asking, what people are learning in BTech, it is not matching. That's what Amirpet is running. Otherwise, why Amirpet? Think yourself. What is there in academics, what is there in software company, it is not matching. If it is matched, no one will join in Amirpet class. Amirpet is not required. Okay, that is the reason only Amirpet is running. Now, that's what. Put efforts, work hard. Point-wise theory. Paragraphs, pages not required. Answer should be in one line. What is encapsulation? One line. Why do we need encapsulation? One line. When we have to use encapsulation? One line. Where we have to use encapsulation? One line. How to use encapsulation? One example. What, why, where, when, how. Each and every point you should know. Then you will get a perfection. But what is encapsulation means? On page they'll write. But if I show one program where is encapsulation means 10% people also not giving answer. That is happening. But software company required, that is only. If I show one project where is encapsulation, you should be able to identify. If I give one task, for this task encapsulation required or not required, you have to give answer. For this task abstraction required or not, for this task overloading required or not, for this task overriding required or not, like that you have to identify. Then you are perfect. But what is encapsulation means? Everyone will write. Okay. But why do we need encapsulation? Where we have to use encapsulation? When we have to use encapsulation? These all required. What, why, where, when, how. What is polymorphism? Why do we need polymorphism? When we have to use polymorphism? Where we have to use polymorphism? How to use polymorphism? That type subject required. Okay. That is first step. Second step, logical code snippets. Small, short, just point away these small code snippets. For example, byte A equal to 5, byte B equal to 3, byte C equal to D, C equal to A plus B. Now, system.out.println C. Will it compile or not? Will it executes or not? If compiles and execute, what will be the output? If not compiles, where is the error? If not executes, where is the error? That error can be solved or not? If it is possible to solve, how to solve? If it is not possible, why? That is core Java learning. It is advanced Java learning different. Okay. So this type of code snippets. Will it compile or not? Will it executes or not? If compiles and execute, what will be the output? If not compiles, where is the error? If not execute, where is the error? That error can be solved or not? If it is possible to solve, how to solve? If it is not possible, why? This type logical code snippets in core Java. Will it compile? Give me answer. Core Java completed, no? Starting session only that is. Will it compile that code? Not compiles. Why it will not compile? What is it? Main method not there. That I'm not asking. Only code snippet I'm asking. Okay, main method is there, class is there. Assume main method is there, class is there. Will it compile? This code inside the main method. That main method inside the class. Now give me answer. Will it compile? Why it will not compile? Will it compile or not? Give me answer. I think you are not confident. See, if the person is confident, voice comes louder. If the person is not confident, beside person also cannot understand voice. In interview also same thing. When interviewer asks a question, if you know the answer, voice comes louder. Interviewer, if you don't know answer, interviewer what you are saying also you cannot understand. That shows confidence. Now, how many people answer compiles? Just raise your hand. No one is there. Online students? Okay, online student, 23 members selected. 20, 30, 34, 45, 49. Okay. Uh, 60 plus people selected. Compiles. How will answer not compiles? But remaining people? No answer, majority. Is there any difficult question? Majority people not given answer. And your hands also like this only. If it is handy like this, you are confident. If your hand is like this, like this, like this, not confident. Sometimes with confidence level also you'll get a job. That is remember. If the person is interviewer is satisfied with your confidence level, what they'll think is, if I give a chance, he can learn, he can improve, they'll think. Then they'll give a chance. Sometimes confidence level also important. With confidence levels also you'll get a job. It will be happen. That's what. Instead of no answer, giving one answer is important. Suppose you will attend one interview. First question they'll ask, no answer. Second question they'll ask, no answer. Third question they'll ask, no answer. What you'll do? You'll send it. Suppose you given 3 wrong answers. At least 4th question he'll ask. 4th question you may give right. Again 5th question he'll ask. You may give right. Again it will be continued. You may get a chance. But no answer means they'll send you back. So now present no answer is majority. No answer is majority. Now think yourself and give me answer. Will it compile or not compiles? Now how many will answer not compiles? Remaining people? How many will answer compiles? I'm not giving any marks. Okay. Your answer right or wrong, whatever it may be. Think and give answer. Now, those who given not compiles, in which line it will not compile? 3rd line. A plus B. Here error comes. Why error? What is it? A plus B. A which type? Byte type. B which type? Byte plus byte. Integer. Integer if you assign to byte, error. Conversions required. Total 56 conversions. Okay. This type code snippets. 3rd step. That is logical code snippet. 3rd step. Point-wise theory. 1st step. 2nd step. Logical code snippet. 3rd step. Concept-wise example. This keyword with variables one example. This keyword with methods one example. This keyword with constructor one example. That type. 4th step. Application. 5th step. Integrated application. 2-3 programs you have to combine. Last step. Project. 6 steps to learn core Java. These 4 steps. Advanced Java. Advanced Java learning style different. Core Java learning style different. Okay. It is Advanced Java class. Advanced Java task I'll explain. Diagrams I'll explain. Steps I'll explain. For every step, which method required, library, what is class required, which method required, which class required, which package required, everything I'll cover. While teaching these 4, you have to listen with more concentration. Okay. You have to listen with more concentration. After that, I'll ask questions. You have to give answer. With your answers, I'll write the program. Okay. For example, library. How to see library at the command prompt? Do you know? Which command we use? Java P command. Java P. Okay. Java P, Java dot lang dot suppose integer. It is a profile of integer class. Okay. Now, for example, here one method is there. You observe. Now, this method, for example, now what is the method name? Max. Is it accessible? How do you know? Public. It is access modifier. Accessible or not, you can give answer with access modifiers. Okay. Max is a method. Is it accessible? Yes. How do you know? Public. Is it instance method or class method? Class method. How do you know? Static keyword. How many ways to access? 3 ways. What are those? By using object, by using object reference, by using class name. One more way, directly also you can access. Okay. 4 ways. Directly, class name, object, object reference. Okay. 4 ways. Object reference not recommended. Not recommended to use. Directly possible, memory wasted. Object reference doesn't require. Static purpose is without object. Again, you are creating object means memory wasted. That's what not recommended. When we have to use directly, if the method is present in the same class. When we have to use class name, if the method is present in another class. Max method is present in integer class. Suppose my class is demo class. Then you cannot access directly. You have to call with class name. Integer dot max. Okay. Like that you have to write. So here method, this is library method. If you want to call, how will call? Return type integer. See, return type integer. Integer x equal to integer dot max. 2 numbers you can pass. That's it. It will return max. Okay. So 4 ways to access class method. Directly you can access. By using class name you can access. By using object you can access. By using object reference you can access. Like here, 2 ways not recommended. Object reference. If method is present in integer class, so my class is demo class, we cannot access directly because that is one class, this is another class. At the time, class name dot. That's what integer dot max. Suppose method is present in same class, then only max you can write. No need to write integer also. Directly you can call. If the method is present in same class, another class, class name required. 4 ways. If instance method is there, 2 ways. Object reference. Like this, if you know how to use Java library, that is only advanced Java. That's it. Every day, only using library. Without API, one line also we cannot write. Okay. So this type, I'll interact with you every day. Okay. This type, I'll interact with you. With your answers, I'll write the program. With your answers, I'll write the program. Like that will be there. Okay. But it should be very regular. Every class important only. I'm not teaching unnecessary subject. Whatever required your career, that is only I'll teach. That is the reason every class important only. See, for example, Java history of Java. Will ask in interview. I'm not teaching. History of JDBC, history of Solid also will be there. But if I teach, no use. Will they ask in interview? No. History of Java, history of Sun Microsystem company, history of James Gosling, and what is the business deal between Sun Microsystem company, Oracle Corporation, how many $1 billion they paid. These all required? No. Your task, your career purpose, whatever required, that is only I'll teach. That's what every class important only. Okay. Tomorrow I'll start advanced Java. Be regular. Every class is important. Okay. Tomorrow class in Reliance building. Reliance building first floor. Tomorrow I'll see continuation. Okay. Okay. Online student, just wait 2 minutes. I'll clarify your doubts. Online student, just wait 2 minutes. I'll clarify your doubts. Online students, just wait 2 minutes. I'll clarify your doubts. Online students, now I'll clarify your doubts. 1 minute, one by one, I'll clarify your doubts. One by one, I'll clarify your doubts. Online students. Course duration 60 to 75 days, like a 2.5 months, it will take max. Next, yeah, notes I'll share in Google Classroom also. I'll give running notes also. Admin details I'll provide tomorrow class. Raj, recorded sessions will not be provided. No recordings. If 4 p.m. not suitable, you contact admin. You attend other batch. Today class is completed. Tomorrow I'll continue. I'll teach. What are the topics I'm going to cover? I'll teach. Yeah, full stack Java students also can join. Yeah, SQL, HTML knowledge is there. It will be better. If not there also, you can learn. No need to worry. Standard edition, internet application, enterprise edition for enterprise application, micro device applications. Course duration, it will take 2.5 months. The admin details, non-technical doubts for admin details, I'll provide. Kamala, yeah, HTML, SQL, whatever is required in advanced Java class, that is I'll cover. Very depth, if you want, you have to attend separate batch. Raj, you contact admin only. Recordings, I'm not responsible. Yeah, core Java, object-oriented programming knowledge required. Fee details, admin details, I'll provide tomorrow. I'll provide. Yeah, Durga Prasad. Yeah, that's what room they changed. Yeah, no space. Yes, that's what Reliance building. Tomorrow, Reliance building. This is classroom link. This link only tomorrow also. Neeraj. With core Java knowledge, learning Spring possible, but little bit Solid knowledge is there better. Yeah, demo recordings they'll provide. If you miss any class, you can attend. If you miss any class, you can see the notes. If any doubts are there, you can mail to my mail ID. I'll give a reply. But recordings will not be provided. And if you want, they will allow one more batch also, but they won't give recordings. This batch is full stack Java student also. Other students also can join. Yeah, Pushpita. Yeah, tomorrow class is in Reliance building. Yeah, tomorrow big room will be there. No need to worry. Yeah, offline class you can come. Tomorrow, very big room will be there. Neeraj, this is only Google Classroom link you are asking. Google Classroom link you have to wait. 1 week you have to wait. Shivakumar, without core Java, advanced Java not possible. Google Classroom link you need to wait. 1 week you have to wait. Tomorrow same link. Yeah, many project type will be, you will see. Advanced Java, Spring parallelly. Okay, little bit solid knowledge required. That's what if you want, you can attend parallelly also. Yeah, today recording you will get it. Sagar, exact the timings may or may not. You contact admin only. Neeraj, 1 week you have to wait. Yeah, I'll give mail ID. Venkatesh. So 1 week object-oriented programming knowledge is mandatory. What are the topics I'm going to cover tomorrow? I'll give. Yeah, full stack Java. If you join other classes like what are the topics are there? Core Java, Advanced Java, Spring. These all separate batches will be there. Yes. Monday to Saturday. Google Classroom, you need to wait 1 week. Admin contact details I'll provide. Neeraj, I'll give running notes. No demo class, I'll continue, Murali. This continuation, that's it. Today class, tomorrow I'll not repeat. 1 week. Like now I won't repeat. I'll continue only. Today class I won't repeat, tomorrow class. You have to attend. Core Java, Advanced Java, parallelly not possible. At least object-oriented programming is completed, possible. Sagar. With only now you joined for full stack Java course means object-oriented programming. If it is completed, then only join in Advanced Java class. Otherwise, you cannot understand. Jitendra. Starting 1 week videos they may provide, but further they won't provide. Core Java ending stage mein Core Java oops are completed means you can join. Shirisha. Next batch, my Advanced Java batch, it takes time because recently one batch started at 7:30 p.m. and now this new batch. That's what next batch it takes more time. Next batch, other batches will be there. Many faculties are there here. All are very good. No need to worry. All are having very good experience. Admin details I'll provide. Next batch, it takes time. My name is Venkatesh Manasani. Okay, this is my mail ID. This is my name, my surname, this is my name, this is my mail ID. Next batch, exact date, no idea. Because recently my second Java batch, 7:30 PM, one batch is going on. Recently, one more batch started. This today batch, today only one new batch. So next batch means again it takes time. We'll see continuation tomorrow. We'll see continuation tomorrow. Okay, be regular. Every class important only. We'll see continuation tomorrow.